Hello, Benjamin Berkeley here today. Welcome to another wonderful video tutorial. Now, today I'm going to show you how to turn a blog to an ebook. How to turn a blog to an ebook. You can get any blog, either it's your blog or another blog. You can turn it to an ebook easily without writing anything. And I'm going to show you the tool that will make that possible. This tool is called Designer. Now, let me show you how it works. This is my Designer account right here. There is a lot of things you can do on Designer using this website. I mean, using this tool. But today I want to show you how you can easily convert any blog to an ebook. All right, let's go. This is the blog I'm going to use. Single Roots. I don't know the owner, but there is an information I saw there that I want to, work on. 25 things singles should know. So the only thing you do is that you copy the URL of the blog. You copy the URL, copy, and then you go to your Designer software. It's a web application software, so you don't need to download it to your computer. You can open it anywhere. And then you click on create a new project. And then you see these are the things you can do: import from blog or URL, import from Word, import from Google Doc, start from template. All these are also there. These are the professional version. You can also start from the scratch, and then I'll do it. I have one of my video where I showed you how you can import from your Facebook page. So you can actually turn your postings on your Facebook page to an ebook. I'm telling you, this is very good software for you. All right, let's do import from blog. I click on it. The next thing for me to do is to paste the blog URL in there. The URL I copied from this place, I'm going to paste it here. And once I paste it, you click on fetch. It's going to go behind the scene and go to the blog and grab all the information from there. It will grab it, and then you will have your content. So right now it's done. I'm going to click on next. And then when I click on next, it's going to let me choose the template I want to use. Now, the template is like the ebook interior and the cover. So you have access to many templates here. And if you feel that you don't have what you want here, you can use the search button to put in a keyword. So I think what I'm doing like there is something about singles or relationship. Let me see. They have that. Nothing like that. Let me see if there is relationship. Relationship. All right. So this is the only thing I see. I don't like that. Let's see marriage. Okay. All right. So I need to go. Let me go through what they have and I'll choose one there. I think I saw one that looks like something I can work with. You can always change any of the cover. You can redesign them. You can convert them to what you want. It's just a template. It's a template you can customize. Yep, it's a template you can customize. So I'm busy searching and looking for something. All right, let me choose this person. I can always customize it later. I'm going to choose that right there. And you can always import your own book cover. Yes, you can do that. So I'm going to click on use. So it's going to prepare the ebook. All will be done for me. That will be done for you from that blog. Now, the good thing here is that you can always edit it. You can customize it. So this is going to be the cover, as it were. I can always customize it. I can make this one better than it is. You see, you got 25 things singles should know. So what you can do right there is that you can change the color. You can make it bold. You can also change the color of the text. You see, the text, it was white. I can change the color of the text right here, color. I can change it to, let's say, want to change it to red or yellow. For some reason, I just think I'm falling in love with yellow these days. Okay, so I make it bold, and then you can put the name of the author here. So let's say I'm the author of the book. I can move this from the edge to the middle. I can make it bold. I can change the font size. If you want, you can change the font itself to a better font you want. All these are things you can do. So this is the color I change. You can always change the color, change the font size. You can make it bigger and bolder if you want. And then you can always change the font. They have some few fonts there, and you can change the way it is lined up. 25 things singles should know. No, you know, you can move it up if you want to. But remember, we can always do a customized ebook cover that you want. All right, let's go to the text. 25 things singles should know. This is like the header. I can change this to make it Italy, reduce the size a little bit bigger for her. And then I can also change the font to some stylish fonts. 25 things singles should know. All this can be deleted. I don't need this. I don't need this. I can get this out of the way. Get this out of the way. So what I need to do is just to go through it and just edit what I need to edit. I can change this image to a different image if I want. But since I'm talking about single, I don't want the man to be there. So I can go here and search for single. Search single. Let's see what they have. So it will pump up some free images I can use right here. This lady looks like somebody I can use. So you have access to um, images. You have access to editing the text like you want to use. Let me just load it. I don't want to edit anything. I don't need to edit anything, and I just need the lady to be there. So it's going to push in the new image that I requested for. So that what I'm showing you is how to convert a blog to a book, and I'm using the software that is called Designer. It's a very good software. It can do a lot of things in terms of creating ebooks, and you can convert any URL, a website, to ebook. You can upload your Google document, or Word document, and it will be converted to ebook. Well, this is taking long. It's trying to set up the image, and okay, so I'm still gonna think that image must be a very heavy image. Okay, that's the reason. So you can also minimize it. Yeah, you can minimize it. You can minimize it to whatever you want. And I'm thinking I want it up here. Yep. Can drag it, but be careful when you are dragging so that it doesn't become blurry. And I can move it to the edge. This is all I clicked on. Move it to the middle. Move it to the edge. You see, you can move it. It's movable. Easy to do. Easy to do. You can move it to the in between the text. Yeah, you can move this text. You can turn it around like that, and then you can change these guys. All of them easy to do. Easy to convert. So all these are what we copied from the the blog. It just converted the blog for us. And with the blog, you now have what to work on. You can change the background of the whole thing. You can change the background to whatever color you want. You see, that's how to change the background. You can change the background of your book, of the ebook. Yeah. So you can have something like that. You can also put a background image if you want. If you want something like an image, You can put an image on the background. You can import an image if you want. So you see, you can import an image if you want, but I would rather want to use something that will make it easy for people to read. So that's it about background spacing. You can space the text how you want it to be. There's a lot of things you can do right here. So we can go through the the article that was converted or that was fetched out. Like this page looks empty. Let's see what I can do here. Can I can delete the page. Yep, I deleted that page. Yep. Then you can also move the text up, move element up. You see, you can move it up, you can move it up, you can move it up to go and join the other guy there. You can move them all of them up like that. And you can read them, adjust them. If you think that they are too close to each other, you can go and do the spacing on the side. Here, where we talk about the spacing, what should be the space between each word? So you see where you can change spacing. This is it. This is spacing it out. So there is enough space in between the the words. So that's it. That's it. Right there, what we copied from, so we can remove every other thing that you don't need. And the good thing is that maybe you have what's it called, other platforms that you want to copy from, like you want to fetch articles from or content from. All you need to do is just to add it in there. You can add it in there. You can generate more, import more content. Yes, you can import more content. Click on import content, and then you just import it right in there. So when you drag it in there, it will ask you, where do you want to get your content from? You can do copy and paste. You can do copy and paste. You have the content somewhere, you can paste it in here. Yeah, you can paste it. You can copy and paste from an existing document. You can also bring in your content from another um, blog spot. So let's say we go look for another blog post or another post. Let me see what he has. Contentment, da 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 da. What are you dwelling on? So let's say I want to copy that one too, or I want to get the article, the content from there. So all I need to do is copy the URL, go back to my uh, designer, fetch it out. If you have the software, they have full tutorial that will show you how to do all these things, that will guide you. So you see, all I needed to do was to just bring it in. I can delete the things I don't want here. Those things, you don't need them. What do you dwell on? I love the way this one looks like right there. Yep. So this is the author. You can remove the person, remove all the information, and bam, you have a ebook right there. So it could be your blog. You can easily convert your own blog to an ebook using wonderful customized images. You can customize the images, that, so it will be a combination of image and book, like this right there. They are two connected. I can go over to spacing and put in some space right on it and request for spacing, you know So this is how to use this wonderful software to um, so yeah, we can change the what's it called, the font, change the font size to make it more readable. Yep. So you can use any font you want and any font size you want. You can change anything. The border, you can put a border, you can put a background. So the software is called Designer, and it's a very good tool, I tell you. So once you are done, let's assume you are done. This is the cover. And if you want to change the cover, like I said, you can still go back there and change the cover. These are all different kind of cover that you can have. Let's see if I just click on the one you want, and then you can just use it in the template. It will apply the template for you. So it's a very good software, and they are currently running a promo. They're having a special offer. It's a one-time thing. If you get it, you get it, and you should be good to go. So right there, see what we got. Everything has been redesigned right there. So I can easily just bring this one here, copy it out. 25 things single should know. Let me get this out of there. So you can always minimize whatever is causing trouble here. So I can copy this out and then bring it in here. Copy, paste. Yep. Delete that one. Delete this box. This makes it better. 25 things singles should know. And then I might want to center it. Let's see if they have center. Yes, center. Yep. I can change the color. I'm falling in love with the yellow these days, depending on situation anyway. So this single is working on computer. So we can use that as a concept of, trying to know what she needs to know. But like I said, you can always have your own ebook cover done separately, and you import it in right there to take over instead of this one. So let's assume that I'm done. All I need to do next is I can preview it. You see what we just did. This is a book. This is from what we fetched from a blog that is not even our own blog. And then you can make all the adjustment you want to make, and then bam, you have an ebook right there. So you are done. You can just publish it. You can publish it as PDF, publish it as a movie for Kindle, EPUB for ebook, and these are for the upgraded version. Give it a title, publish title, what singles should know, and you just click on export. So with the basic version of it, there is a lot you can do. Fetching from URL or an existing blog or a website and turning it to a book. You can check out my other video on how you can turn your Facebook page post to a book. See, right there. And there's still a whole lot you can do. That is an ebook right there. You didn't write anything. You just brought it out from somebody. And this, you can give it out, you can sell, you can even just give it out to drive traffic to your own product or website. Well, what I use is called Designer, and it's a very good software. You can get a link to how you can have it on the description box right there below. But this is the link right here, bit.ly/bookmaker7. When you go through this link, you'll be able to take advantage of the special offer that is currently going on right now. Let me see how I can make this one a little more bigger for you to see. All right. So that's right. bit.ly/bookmaker7. Get it? And it comes with commercial license. You are free to, sell whatever thing you produce with it, and you will be good to go. Thanks so much for watching the video. It's called Designer, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Thank you so much. Till I come your way again, I remain Benjamin Beckley. Have a good day.